What's going on, y'all? It's your boy TDK. I am back with another video, you feel me? Damn! Oh my God! Yo, I'm about to go put my shit in the garage. What's going on, movement gang? It's your boy TDK. I am back with another legendary video. As y'all just heard, I just hit a nasty pothole. Good thing my wheel space, you know what I'm saying? I'm not lowered yet, and I got bigger tires in the front, so I have a little bit more you know what I'm saying, rim space to work with, tire wall to work with, so my rims probably won't crack as easy. But geez, these Colorado roads are pretty bad. But today, as y'all can see in the title and in the description, we riding out with the Mopar boys. Y'all boys just want to see some of the Mopar crew. So my boy Malik hit me up. I guess he's found a little Mopar group, and he had put one together a long time ago. I haven't introduced y'all to Malik yet. But he put this he kind of introduced me to this Mopar group. We're gonna go meet these guys right now. And then there's a whole bunch of Hellcats, Scat Packs, RTs, SXTs. I don't know how many SXTs are in the group, but we do have a lot of Hemis, you feel me? Because I'm a big BA guy. I disrespect SXTs a lot unless you got it looking A1, you feel me? But there goes Malik. And then if y'all can see in my rear view, we got another Charger, and then we got another Charger behind us. So we got two Chargers behind us. And we out here going crazy. As y'all can see, but I got Bucka and Detta with me, as y'all can tell. And you know, I always bring my little brothers with me on these little expeditions because it's lit, you feel me? These boys like the cars just like I do. And to have a car group just strictly Mopar is probably the coolest thing to, you know what I'm saying, have. And I've been looking for one, because I've been watching like Hemi Life and all them. I've been watching, who else I've been watching? Oh, Tall Guy, and then like they find groups easy as hell just because they got the subscribers, they got the fan base. So hopefully y'all start rocking with me with this car crew out here in Colorado. And hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we can take off together. But go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And let's get this movement thing going, you feel me? It's your boy TDK, and we're gonna catch y'all when we get to the spot, you feel me?
I love you, Benji.
We're not doing all that. We are founder, co-founder, my wife's treasurer and secretary. But for the new guys, if you guys choose to come in, everybody has a voice in the club. We are a serious, no drama club whatsoever. It's all a big family, and that's how we treat it. We do have dues once a month, 20 bucks a month. It goes to whatever we want to do, like outings, just whatever. But that money keeps building up until we decide we want to do something. Denise and I, we entertain a lot, barbecues, all kind of stuff. We do parades, car shows. Oh my God, yeah, definitely car shows. We give out, when we have the big car shows, we give out trophies. We have 5 classes, but Alex and I will take care of all of that. Everybody will get a radio. And it doesn't have to have a charger. You just put batteries in it and you can push it. I think it has like a 2 or 3 mile radius, which is good because when we're behind each other going to where we go, we need communication.
Certified.
Ooh, certified.
Big stepper.
I'm gonna throw this on right now. You feel me? Part of a car crew now. You feel me? Hostile Hemis, boy, get at us. Get at us, you feel me? Get at us. I cannot wait to go stamp these on the whip better. We finna be all stickered out. We finna go crazy. You guys dig in if you want some. Yeah. Ooh, we finna have fun with this group, y'all. And I got my new shirt, boy. Let y'all know. We are part of the new Mopar club. We about to go crazy. Ooh, let's get it. Are we rolling, bro?
Yep, yes sir.
Alright, bro. So we're gonna go put the Hot Sauce Hemis stickers on the whipper. Ooh, this shit finna go crazy, boy. I already got the shirt. We finna go
That white
nuts.
one look good though.
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, the white gonna look a lot better than the blue. Cause like I was gonna do blue, but you got the blue that I want too.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't want to be like everybody else.
Yeah, that finna go crazy.
Ooh,
That bit finna be hard.
ooh, that bit finna be nuts, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think. Big Mopar on the shirt. I'm a big Mopar fan over here. We in a new car club, you feel me? But yeah, we going out. We out here going crazy. Bobby, I'm gonna have you do this, cause I don't want to mess it up or nothing. Yeah, cool.
Matter of fact, go ahead and pull up in the driveway.
Okay, cool.
Hey, let's get that Coles car, boy. Let's get that Coles car. Yes, sir.
It's supposed to be done yesterday, but he said later on today, he said we don't have a split out here, but I'm sure it's pretty group in here.
I can't wait to get that thing back there.
I can't roll my
That,
window
yeah,
down.
let me show you guys this. Come over here. And this right here. I'm probably gonna get that and my splitter next, y'all. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section on what y'all think about that, because but I got Bobby. He's the leader over here. He's putting on my decal, my hostile Hemi, because you know what I'm saying, we in a club now, so you know gotta represent. And yeah, I decided to go white. Typically I probably was gonna go blue, but then everything else on here is gonna be blue, so had that pop on my window tint. Yeah, that looks real good. It looks perfect with that window tint. It makes it pop.
Hair dry.
Come on, Bugger. Let's go check out the Hellcat engine, boy. Bobby's doing that. What? Nasty. Look at that engine bay. You got everybody over here. Look at you. Look at you.
Waiting on you to open this thing, man. Yeah, this bitch is crushing.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. I'm getting this one next. Yes, sir. $500 steering wheel that he got in this thing. This thing is nuts.
I'm getting this. That is steering wheel.
With the wicker bill, his wicker bill is nasty.
Did you see the pulley?
Nuh-uh, I haven't seen the pulley yet, but go ahead and show him that carbon fiber steering wheel with the 200 on the dash.
Oh no. I know them because I have a pillow on your side. I know you're lying.
Carbon fiber steering wheel hard.
Why does Cuz have a pillow on you?
Cause he do. Why don't you?
This is pushing more than the red eye. Yo, I didn't even know that. This is pushing more than the red eye, and this is a standard Hellcat, 2019. And he put a pulley on here. He's out here going crazy. I'm telling you. Wait till I get mine, boy. Wait till I get mine, boy. Give me life, y'all better watch out.
Trey, he's an all-wheel drive, Trey.
And then we got the matching, you know what I'm saying? Matching one like me. Matching RT like me, boy. He has a gloss tint. I got matte tint. I think that gloss tint's cool though. It looks stock like that. You feel me? But he has bumper paint issues too. Let's see what this looks like. Nasty. Yeah, we out here going crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit y'all with some B-roll real quick, and then we're gonna get straight to it. You feel me?
I think we got a hit.
MJ on the beat, ho.
Hey, Mel Dog, I think we got a hit.
Alright, y'all, so this is the end of today's video, you feel me? We joined a new Mopar group. Y'all heard all the ins and outs of today. Y'all see right here, we're part of big hostile Hemis now. We got the t-shirt to represent as well. And from here on out, I'm showing y'all everything I'm doing to this car. We're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go crazy with this group. We're planning on trips to Vegas, so I'll let y'all know when we get ready to head out and start doing things like that. With all that being said, you feel me? We'll catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy TDK. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to be a part of the movement. Gang!